Now, the next plugin, I want to show you something called Kontera WordPress plugin. You can see here there's two versions. This is for different versions of WordPress. So check your version of WordPress and install the right one. What this does is it provides Kontera adverts. So it's Kontera in-text ads to your posts. So some sites may not be, you may not be able to use AdSense due to either the content of the site or maybe your location, or you may find that you're not happy with AdSense performance. So Kontera is another good method of monetizing your auto blog, and again you can automatically add the posts to all of your add the ads to all of your posts automatic. So it's very, very good like that. Under settings and Kontera settings, you can see here we can set it. So you've got to put your publisher ID in, and you can see here you can select your links color, and so on. So it's very, very simple to set up. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and talk about this one for hours and hours. So you can pick categories and block ads and so on. So it's very, very useful. So let me just show you Kontera's page for a minute. So you can see again what they do is they add these links. You can see up here they add links in like that. So again, this could be very, very useful to use with, instead of perhaps the next plugin, the SEO Smart Links. You could use SEO Smart Links to link internal and use this to link to external sites. But you can see here from this demonstration, it's showing you the sort of links that you get. So I mean, they look pretty good, don't they? So, you know, it's a very obvious link, and then of course it's a link through and an affiliate link. So people here are paying pay per click. So what they do is they see you, you know, your advert appears on their page. So their advert appears on your page, and when someone clicks on it, you get paid. It's kind of like AdSense, except for instead of specific blocks of text, it comes up as links, and you can set it here to different colors and so on, so that it stands out. So where do you want them? Do you want them on posts or comments? You just stick them on the posts, yeah, pretty much most of the time. So you can also say, well, I don't want them to appear straight away. It's up to you. It's up to you how you decide to do it. But it's very powerful. You can see from some of the publishers down here that have been going through, they've got some big name people using this. So it's very, very effective. Now, a lot of people are getting, shall we say, frustrated with the cost of advertising with AdWords. I mean, let's face it, it's not exactly cheap. So people are starting to look at networks like Kontera, particularly big companies like Ford, Microsoft, Kellogg's, GM, US News. Yeah, these are big companies, and they're looking at sites like Kontera because they provide better value for money. Basically, yes, you may not get as many clicks, but you still get good targeted clicks, and you get good you know, a good cost. So this is beneficial to you, because if you find that, well, my AdSense aren't converting, try putting in some Kontera ads. Take the AdSense out, put Kontera in, and see how that works. It's slightly more subtle, and you can often find, because they're in text, you get quite a good click-through rate. So the plugin name again is Kontera. If we go down here, it's called Kontera. Install it and use it as well. You can't use it with AdSense because it is contextual advertising, and AdSense get upset, so use one or the other. But I would test the two, because you may find that one does better than the other. So it's another option and another way for you to monetize your website and create money from your auto blog.